What up, what up, what up, Hexicans? Today I'm going to read this article that I posted last night and then woke up this morning and my X account is suspended for inauthentic behaviors. They didn't cite a post, they didn't tell me what I did wrong. It's a permanent suspension. And this is the second time that I've been permanently suspended. This was a burner account that I started, and here we go with my main account that I started for Hex. 15,000 posts, worked up to 3,100 followers over 5 years, and without citing anything, the Global Town Square and Everything app just permanently removed and deleted everything that I've written and posted over 5 years. And so the Hex community is still on Twitter, and so that's where I kind of need to be to contribute and say what I want to say. And here we go again, completely suspended. And this is the article that I wrote, and I've kind of replicated it here in Obsidian, and I'm just going to read it and post it on YouTube, where I haven't been suspended lately. It's called Only 21 Million Bitcoin, and I'm contrasting the proof of work versus proof of weight, electricity versus time, and my world divided by 21 million peeps, them infinity divided by 21 million folks. The meme that claims only 21 million coins exist in crypto still has to compete with more than 60 consensus networks hosting thousands of contracts, where each contract can inflate billions of coins. And that's before Bitcoin competes with programmable utility, staking, coin burning, and tokenization of real-world assets. The meme of 21 million can only trade on centralized exchanges, where it is lost on everyone that decentralized exchanges like PulseX.com are a quantum leap from Bitcoin's paradigm shift. Decentralized trading and decentralized markets are a bigger revolution than Bitcoin. It's AOL versus the World Wide Web all over again. Bitcoin pays miners $15 billion a year to buy and burn electricity, defending its 21 million supply using investors' money from the market. So here is something that I pulled from Grok a while ago, and this is the 2025 numbers, and it just basically says here's 9 billion that's going to electricity, here's another 6 billion that's going to depreciating mining equipment, which Hex is mining equipment that doesn't depreciate like this. And the average cost of a Bitcoin is $90,000 to mine one Bitcoin last year, right? Grok says the sun emits 10 trillion times more energy than humans use on Earth. And Elon is launching solar panels into space where they're going to capture 5 times more energy 24/7, 365. And so whoever controls the energy can do whatever they want with Bitcoin while they mine gold here on Earth and from space. And what they can't do with 10 trillion times more energy is manipulate time, which is what Hex burns instead of electricity. Time is the real constraint. Time is the truest currency. Time is money. Time is a vastly superior proof to electricity. Time is what Hex investors burn when they lock their USD into Hex's market for up to 15 years. Market scarcity is what Hex's inflation buys from its investors who lock Hex away for up to 15 years. Time moves Hex's share price up 27% historically each year, while Hex only inflates 3.69%. That's a form of true scarcity immutably baked into Hex and its share system, driven forward by time. That explains these two charts. Yes, Hex has two charts, market price and share price. And so this is the current market price of Hex, down 99.9%. But this is the share price of Hex, which is how much Hex does it cost to lock in 1 trillion shares priced in USD? And that's that chart. Here are some pro tips to help investors understand what's going on here. Shares are more important than Hex because shares pay investors' cold storage wallet daily. So you're paid to own, control, and store your own money, and it credits you daily for uh, doing the highest value add that you can do for any asset in any market after buying, which is hold. Well, but it's a hard lock, so you're committing to hard lock, and that's where the inflation goes. The U.S. dollar inflation goes to buy war, fraud, waste, and abuse. Bitcoin's inflation goes to buy electricity and mining equipment, and HEX's inflation pays the investor to their cold storage wallet to own, control, and store their own money. Gold also has like a $500 billion a year inflation bug because that's how much gold they mine every year. And they call it a store of value. Those are some other pro tips. Shares appreciate in the pool, designed to stimulate compounding interest over time. This is what this Nobel-worthy share system that Richard Hart invented does. It simulates compounding interest using inflation over time. Shares cost 27% more HEX each year. The share price only goes up. And so that's how that chart is higher than HEX's market price, because it locked in 10,000 HEX back when it launched 6 years ago, locked in 1 trillion shares, and today 45,000 HEX locks in 1 trillion shares. And so that's the difference in the price, and it only goes up. So shares are HEX is deflationary to itself in the system. Shares are guaranteed yield in HEX. Share bonuses for locking beyond 10 years are massive. It's 3 times the shares you buy when you lock beyond 10 years. Here's a recently max locked HEX deposit, where it just kind of shows you that here is 1 T share at the time, locked for 15 years. It secures 3 T shares, and that's the yield. It's currently earning a modest 4% overall. But as 15 years progress and all of the other shares that locked in a much better rate get out of the pool, this is how your shares appreciate in the HEX pool. Today, April 2026, max locking $70 worth of HEX secures $30,000 worth of share power when HEX was 50 cents. And so this is a scarce digital asset, a yield generating digital asset that is getting more scarce over time. And because the price is so low because of rank censorship, and they're just lying to people about Bitcoin on the national news, and they're not letting the people who have something to say against it speak, because we're not allowed, Hexicans are not allowed to speak anywhere. We're shadow banned on Twitter constantly, and we're not allowed to speak in any of the forums. They won't let us talk. They'll just kick us off, and we're just here. They just call us a scam. But here we are paying ourselves to store our own money for 6 years straight, while everything else that all the centralized exchanges listed is gone just to ruins. And we're still here saying, hey, we're still paying ourselves every single day in HEX. So it's time to stop pretending that only 21 million coins exist in crypto. 15 billion investor dollars represent the average savings of 2 million American families. Bitcoin miners burn that, defending a false meme, and call it a green store of value. When the Bitcoin price dips, miners are paying their electric bill. When the HEX price dips, investors are making their dreams come true. Here is something that no longer exists because I'm censored, but I had HEX versus Bitcoin verified by Grok, and these were the parameters, and Grok verified it. But basically, it was saying a $28,000 HEX time deposit that was locked for 15 years will mine HEX with $250,000 of the Bitcoin equivalent hash power, and it saves $4.2 million of electricity and mining equipment that we don't have to burn through, worth of sell pressure, which you would be selling HEX over the market over 15 years, while the investor gets to hold on to that HEX while it appreciates in the market. No mining equipment, no mining pools, no full-time mining facility management job, no taxes from selling Bitcoin, and no selling Bitcoin inflation to buy and burn electricity with investors' money. That's the difference between mining HEX versus mining Bitcoin. and I have a strategy that's not available because it's completely censored. So, um, yeah, that's what I got for you. That's the article that got me banned on the global town square everything app with all the money and all the. I can't use Grok. All my list, I can't get information. All of my curated lists are gone. Everything, it's just gone. Like, this is the second time I've done this. This is incredible. Um, so, all right, Hex family, I love you guys. Take care.